Matcha. Matcha is more than just a trendy drink. With deep roots in East Asian culture, it's a potent health elixir with powerful anti inflammatory effects, antioxidant protection, and wellness promoting properties. Whether you sip it for energy, focus, or longevity, matcha offers a cup of calm and vitality grounded in centuries of tradition. It boosts concentration, memory, reduces chronic inflammation, supports weight management, and reduces cardiovascular disease. Matcha does have caffeine, so let me show you how I make this in the morning. First, I take 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. You can use half a teaspoon or a quarter teaspoon at first to adapt to the taste of this. I put this on my tea strainer or sifter, which is on top of my cup. When we first take the matcha powder, it forms clumps. So sifting or aerating it, like I'm doing in this video, makes it into a fine powder. Another way of doing this is to take a teaspoon and run it through the matcha powder on the strainer, back and forth. In this way, the powder goes through the holes in the strainer and forms a powder in the cup. To this, I'm going to add some hot water, not boiling hot water, since the boiling hot water can make the matcha taste bitter and masks the tea's natural sweetness and umami. High temperatures can increase the oxidation of the matcha. Even the antioxidants and the nutrients can be damaged. Now I'm taking a whisk to mix the matcha. You can use a chasen, which is a bamboo whisk, to mix this. And the purpose of mixing it in this way is to create a smooth, frothy, lump-free matcha drink, maximizing its flavor and texture. I did increase the speed of this on my video, but it should be done for about 20 to 30 seconds. A good rule of thumb is a fast zigzagging M or W motion is good. I then added a quarter cup of warm coconut milk to this and continued whisking this together. I then added 1 teaspoon of maple syrup to this. You may need to add more sweetness since matcha is bitter. How does it taste? First, it smells earthy, kind of grassy. It has a slight bitter taste but a savory depth to it. The milk and the maple syrup does cut out some of the bitterness. Thank you for watching this, guys. Please give this a like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free, and tomato-free recipes. And have a great day. And just relax. Sometimes you need to take a break. Grab a cup of matcha.